In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a supplier in Xero. Adding suppliers properly in Xero is an important part of keeping your bills, payments, and reporting accurate and organized. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step on screen, explain what you're looking at, and share a few tips to help you get it right the first time. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look for the menu at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where Xero stores the details of all the people and businesses you deal with, including both customers and suppliers. Once you've opened the Contacts area, you'll see a few different tabs or options. Click on the one labeled Suppliers. This switches the view so that you're only working with supplier records, not customers. It also helps keep everything organized for bills and payments you make to other businesses. Now that you're in the Suppliers section, we're going to create a new supplier record. Look for a button that says New Contact, usually towards the top right of the page. Click on New Contact. This opens up a blank contact form where you'll add all the details for your new supplier. On this form, start by entering the supplier's name. This is how you'll recognize them in Xero when you're entering bills or making payments. So use the official or trading name you'll remember. Then fill in any other relevant details such as their address, phone number, and email address. If your supplier sends invoices to a specific email, it's a good idea to add that here so everything goes to the right place. You can also add notes or reference details that might help you later, such as account numbers or standard payment terms if you use them. The more complete and accurate this information is, the easier it will be to manage your transactions and run reports. Once you're happy that all the important details are filled in and you've checked for any typos, you're ready to save. Look for the button that says Save and Close, and click on that. Xero will save the new supplier and return you to the supplier list, where you should now see the contact you just added. That's it. You've successfully added a supplier in Xero, and you're ready to start recording bills and payments to them.